Now as you guys can see, my door is already open. Now what exactly did I push to open this door without a key? That I will show you in this video. But before we do that, first let's find the key. And here I have pulled my boot door switch, and with that my boot is now open. Now as I opened the boot, let's see where the key fell. And as you guys can see, I can't find the key here. But the owner told me he left it in the boot somewhere. And as you guys can see, here's the key. How he had placed the key here, you guys can see that. How the door closed, that I don't know. But I found the key, so my job is done. So I just want to tell you guys that I have shot this video after opening the car. It is not that I'm shooting the video while I'm opening the car, because it is almost next to impossible to shoot the video while I'm opening the car, because the door is closed and the glass is also closed, and I cannot show you guys what is going on inside the door or what I'm doing inside the door. Once I got the success to open it, only that time I share the videos with you guys. Having said that, without any further ado, let's get the video started. So this is the Honda City car, of which the owner left the key inside of the boot and closed the boot door. So now I will have to open this car without the keys. I would like to put a disclaimer here. This video is only for educational purpose. Don't misuse this. That is my prayer to you guys. Now, as you guys can see, all the doors of this car are locked. The owner by mistake has left the keys inside the boot. In the starting only you guys saw how I opened the boot door and found the key. So come on, let's see how to open the door without the keys. The first thing that I will have to do here is I will have to take out the car garnish. If it is your own car and if you don't want your car paint to get scratched, then see that you use a cloth like this and a metal ruler. Put this cloth on a metal ruler like this. Now this car garnish sometimes is jammed and it doesn't come out that easily. Here I will show you guys how to remove your car garnish in a safe way. Otherwise you can easily scratch the paint on your car. In one corner, see that you put inside the ruler like how I have done here. Then on top of it, put a screwdriver and pry the garnish out. Now this can take some time as well, because sometimes the garnish is totally jammed. Once it comes out a little bit, see that you pull the garnish with your hands only, like how I am doing here. And with that, your car garnish will come out like this. Now as you guys can see, my car garnish has come out. To take this out, it can take you time guys, but don't make a haste and remove it in a relaxing way. Once you are done taking that out, now the next thing that I will do is I will make use of an aluminium hanger. Many of you guys have aluminium hangers in your house, so now it's time to use it. I have opened the aluminium hanger fully and I have made it straight, and with one end of this hanger I am trying to push the lever inside. And once I push it, my door opened. Now I will show you guys what exactly I pushed to open the car door. Now as you guys can see, this is the part on which you can hang the hanger, and on the other end I have made a circle like thing, as you guys can see. Now with this end I will push that lever. Now to push this only is the most difficult part, because it is not going to be easy to push the lever. It is car safety feature, otherwise anybody would open the car and go inside and would take all your things from inside. Now I will go on the inner side and I will show you guys what exactly I have pushed. Here I have lowered my window just to show you guys, otherwise there is absolutely no way that you can see anything inside there. Now because I have lowered it, I can show it to you guys properly. Now this hanger you should bend in a curved way before you put it inside here. Now here comes my hanger. Now this doesn't need too much of force as well guys. You just have to push it lightly. And once your hanger comes here, you will have to push this lever right here. The moment you push this lever, your door will get unlocked and you can easily open your car door. So guys, I'm hoping that this video was useful to you. So that's all in this video guys, and I will see you guys in my next video now. Till then, bye and take care.